Mason jar vacuum sealing has evolved from a niche hobbyist tool to a practical, everyday solution for extending the shelf life of fresh foods, reducing waste, and organizing pantry storage. Modern electric jar sealers offer hands-free operation, compatibility with standard and wide-mouth jars, and compact form factors suitable for small kitchens, camping, or picnics. In this review, product number 1. Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit for Wide Mouth. The Love Moment Kit is a value-focused option designed to handle both wide and regular mouth jars with 2 size-specific mouth seal converters. It includes 5 wide mouth lids and 5 regular mouth lids, plus a cordless vacuum sealer powered by a 4-volt battery system. The device emphasizes portability and a simplified 2-piece adapter approach to accommodate different jar sizes, with a stated 40-second vacuum time per seal. Performance-wise, the Love Moment unit prioritizes one-button operation and minimal setup, which makes it appealing for casual users who want quick, repeatable seals without manual pumping. However, the 4-volt battery and 4-watt motor suggest modest suction power, which can impact seal consistency on denser contents or larger jars. Real-world use shows it excels for dry goods, berries, and other low-moisture items, but may struggle with liquids near the neck or thicker jams if the headspace isn't managed carefully. The kit's included lids and converters are its strongest selling point for budgeting and immediate usability, yet the compact form factor and battery-powered operation may require more frequent recharges during heavy use days. Product number 2. Univer M11 Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit with wide mouth. The Univer M11 kit targets a balance of affordability and capability, including 5 wide mouth and 5 regular lids, plus a USB cable and a rechargeable battery. It emphasizes automatic sealing with minimal manual input, and claims an extended battery life suitable for about 5 hours of operation between charges. The design focuses on cordless convenience and a more robust motor for better suction. In practice, the M11's automatic/canister approach is well suited for busy households, enabling one-handed use and date labeling for freezer or pantry planning. The stated 5-watt motor and 5V battery indicate a mid-range suction level that should handle typical jars without over-tightening, though performance can vary with jar size and liquid content. The inclusion of a bottle cap opener and a dedicated date label system adds real-world value for meal prep routines. For frequent travelers or campers, the cordless design is a big plus, but users should verify lid compatibility for their jar inventory and be mindful of rechargeable battery maintenance. Product number 3. Upgraded Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. Aliexpress's upgrade positions this model as a premium, fully automated jar sealer with 10 lids, 5 regular, 5 wide, and a one-touch operation workflow. It emphasizes a hands-off sealing experience aimed at reducing food waste and enabling jam, pickle, and dry good preservation with minimal user intervention. The device highlights reliability, a compact footprint, and a strong marketing push around sustainability and cost savings. Performance-wise, the VP09 appears to deliver consistent seals at the push of a button, with the automatic mode handling the preload and shutoff once the proper vacuum is achieved. The kit's inclusion of 10 lids and a clear head-to-lid compatibility claim makes it very compelling for users who own a lot of jars and want a turnkey experience. Some users might prefer to verify jar diameters and lid thread compatibility with their existing stock, but the model's integrated design reduces clutter and simplifies operation for jam makers, meal preppers, and those who store leftovers long-term. Product number 4. RoboSeal Rechargeable Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer for Mason Jars Wide. Emson's RoboSeal targets a straightforward one-button sealing experience with a rechargeable battery, 10 lids included, 5 small, 5 large, and a digital battery indicator. The design emphasizes ease of use, universal jar compatibility, and a compact, light form factor ideal for quick preservation tasks and on-the-go use. In use, the RoboSeal shines for users who want a simple, minimal setup tool with clear battery status visibility. The one-button operation is comforting for beginners and casual users, while the digital battery indicator helps manage recharge needs for dinner prep or picnics. The sealed performance is adequate for typical pantry items, dried goods, and fresh produce preservation. However, the device's motor wattage and suction capability may be moderate, which could affect performance with very wet foods or thick liquids. Its heavier packaging and 2.33-pound weight reflect a sturdier build relative to ultralight competitors. Product number 5. Upgraded 3-in-1 electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit for mason jars. Aliexpress 3-in-1 kit presents a versatile system that works with jars, containers, and bags, aiming to be an all-in-one preservation solution. It features automatic shutoff, a one-touch seal, and a broad accessories package, including 12 stickers and a sliding clamp. The packaging highlights BPA-free materials and an emphasis on preventing over-sealing while delivering reliable 5x longer storage for a range of foods. Performance-wise, the Aliexpress kit is designed for families who want a single device to handle multiple storage formats beyond jars. The auto shutoff feature helps prevent over-sealing, which is a common concern with beginner users. The 3-in-1 approach can be attractive for budget-conscious households seeking pantry organization with a single device. However, the broader scope may come at the cost of slightly bulkier design and a dependence on compatible containers and bags. Expect robust performance for jams, nuts, coffee, and dry goods, with frequent recharging required for battery-powered operation.